Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Lexus LS460 key battery. Start by locating the mechanical key release, slide it open, and remove the emergency key. Use the small flathead to pry the fob seam gently, taking care not to scratch the plastic. Note the battery orientation before removal so you install the new CR2032 correctly and test the fob buttons before reassembly for proper function. Open the fob by first removing the mechanical key and locating the seam where the halves meet. Insert a small flathead into the gap and twist gently to separate the shell without forcing it. Lift the circuit board slightly to expose the coin cell, taking care with ribbon cables and contact springs. Note how the battery sits so you can replace it with the CR2032 in the same orientation for immediate operation. Remove the old CR2032 using your fingernail or non-metal tool and recycle it properly. Align the new CR2032 exactly as the old one sat, observing the plus and minus sides, then press it into place until secure. Reposition the circuit board and snap the fob halves together with gentle pressure, ensuring clips engage. Test lock, unlock, and panic buttons to confirm the battery replacement was successful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.